Honor Band 5 in a bowl. Hello everyone, my name is Hasham. Today we're going to be reviewing the Honor Band 5, and the Honor Band 5 is one of the new ones that just got released. This is one that's got a really large AMOLED screen, stylish watch faces, scientific sleep monitor, a 3.0 heart rate monitor, a water resistance of 50 meters, which is the reason I'm going to use this. We're going to test it out for you guys. A multi-sport function for swimmers, for cycling, running. Really nice feature there. And look at it, it's really nice. I mean, the box itself is very nice. I mean, we're gonna do the full unboxing for you guys. You're gonna see how really cool it is. It has a smart call notification. You can monitor it all from the display. You can see the messages, you can see the calls, you can see everything in here. And the most important thing, of course, is the 14 days battery charge. This is amazing. It's got 14 days battery charge. This is an amazing product. Really cool. That's amazing. Okay, so let's open it up right now. Let's see what we got in here. Okay, so the first thing we do is we open up from here. There we go. Okay. There it is, and here's all the content inside it. So the box by itself is just empty. We got manuals. So the first thing, we have got a warranty card. You can see here, this is a warranty card. The next, of course, we got the Honor with all the explanation from all different languages. You got the quick start guide, and this one is in English, as well as other languages. Here I've got Arabic in here on this side. Very nice. I think it's got other languages as well, not just Arabic. So it's got all the languages in here. Look at those, all the languages. This is the charging cable that comes with it, and look at it. I mean, it is very nice. The packaging is amazing on this thing. And finally, of course, we have got the watch itself. Now look at this watch. This is an amazing watch. By just looking at it just now, it is really cool, fantastic. I really like it. If you look at it from the front, it's got very nice display here. It's very cool. This is the display. On the strip itself, Honor, so it's really good mark name. I mean, the Honor bands are very famous and very popular. They are one of the best ones out there right now. Wow, this is really amazing. This really feels very cool. I like the display on it. Now, one of the most important things that a lot of these watches come in and say they're water resistant, and I really love the idea that they are water resistant. But a lot of you guys actually tell me, are they really water resistant? Did they really go underwater? I mean, are they gonna go underwater? Well, this is the reason why we have this bowl today, which we're gonna be sticking it in here. Okay, so first thing first, we're gonna put in, upraise the camera here so you guys can picture. I'm gonna take a picture of the whole thing. I'm gonna take it off, and we're gonna see if it actually is a water resistance. This is actually a very nice watch. I don't want it to damage, so I hope it is a water resistance. Let's take a look at it. And we go. There we go. Oh my god, I dropped it in water! Ah! Is it gonna work again? Is it gonna work again? Is it gonna work again? It's still working. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, baby. Right, I don't recommend you guys actually charge it immediately as soon as you take it up, because it's gonna be a power thing. So just let it dry. But it is still working. The display is still working. Let me see if it's still sticky. I have to admit, that's amazing. That means it is, well, the 50 meters water resistance is amazing part of it, and it's really cool. I like that. It's it's not as thick as you think, and it's not as small as you think. It's very nice, very cool, very easy. It's a a very good band. I really like it like this. There you go. It's very simple. You gotta admit, this is really cool. It goes well with my shirt. Very nice. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if anybody wants a bowl of water that you can fit your watch in it, go get your own water. See you guys later. It's mine.